Hi guys, welcome to Sharon's Tutorials. I'm sure I'm not the only person who has deleted an email by accident and just thought, oh crap, I didn't mean to delete that, and panicked slightly. So if you have done that as well, then this video will show you where to find the deleted emails and how to restore them. So the first step on finding them is to click on the More button down on the left hand side of your toolbar. Then click on the bin folder or trash if you're in the US. And this opens up the list of emails that are currently in your deleted folder. There's a notification at the top here that says messages that have been in the bin folder for more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. And there's also an option of emptying the bin completely, which deletes all of the emails currently in this folder all at once. So to restore the deleted email, all you need to do is select which email you want to restore by clicking on the box to the left of it. So we will restore this one. And as you click on it, you will see some icons now appear at the top of the page. And we need to click on the Move To icon, which is the folder icon here with the arrow inside. So we click on there and you just select which folder you want to move it to. So you can move it to the inbox or any of the other folders that you already have set up. If you want to create a new folder, then just click Create New. Give your folder a name and click Create, and it will automatically be moved to that folder. For this example, I want to move it to the inbox. So click on Move To and Inbox. And you can see it's now gone from the bin folder. Go back into the inbox and here it is. You can see it's here. So that's how to quickly find and restore deleted emails that are less than 30 days old. But what happens if you want to restore ones that have been permanently deleted? Well, if you have a G Suite account, you can recover emails that have been deleted from your bin folder. You need to request it from Google through the Google admin console. So to do this, you need to open up your G Suite account, click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of the screen, which is the 9-dot grid here. Click on there, scroll down until you get to the admin button and click on admin. You then have to verify that it's actually you. Once you're in Google Admin Console, click on Users, which is the second in from the left in the top row. This will list the users of this account. Then hover over the name of the user and you'll see other options appear on the right hand side. Click on More and go down to Restore Data. So to restore the data, you need to select the date range that the data was deleted. It tells you here that data can only be restored from emails deleted in the last 25 days. So the date range, if you click on the date, so we're now the 18th of December. If you go back to November, you'll notice you can't select any of these dates here that are grayed out because they're earlier than 25 days. So you just give it a date range and then under Application, click on the drop down arrow to the right and select Gmail and then click Restore. So you basically have 55 days to restore deleted emails, 30 days within your own bin folder in your Gmail account and an additional 25 days in the Google Admin Console. So thanks for watching guys, and I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and until next time, happy learning!